Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve the 3D chrome look using Gel X nails. As you can see, I already had one hand done off camera, and I already went ahead and applied my Gel X tips. On the other hand, I'm going to be using this gel polish, and again, I'll link everything down below. This is probably the best nude nail polish kit that I've gotten off of Amazon, but I'm just going to be applying this to all my nails. And now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go in and clean up around the cuticle. And I went ahead and used 2 coats of this color just for a more pigmented look. And then I'm going to cure in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And now that I'm done with that second coat and cure, I'm going to be taking this white nail art polish from that same brand, and I'm going to go ahead and outline where I want the chrome designs to be. I would say to definitely get you a nice fine nail art brush, or like I said, a gel polish that already kind of comes with the nail brush, because that makes doing these a lot easier. And I just went ahead and filled it in as I was going. This does not have to be anything perfect. You kind of just do what you feel looks right, and you're able to achieve this look. It's really, really simple.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love.
And now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and take my brush and go ahead and clean up any mistakes. At this point, I was like, yes, I love the placement. So I went ahead and cured it in the nail lamp for 30 seconds. And now I'm just going to be taking that chrome powder. I was definitely going for more of a fall look, so I thought this orange was like the perfect color. I'm just taking my little applicator and then dipping into the chrome powder and then just rubbing it onto the nail. I will say that I suggest definitely curing your polish for 30 seconds so that it actually adheres. If you cure the whole 60 seconds, the chrome may not stick to it. So that's just like a little helpful tip as well. And now that I'm done with that, I'm just taking my brush to dust off any excess powder and then cleaning up any mistakes again. And I'm also curing this for 30 seconds again. Now I'm going to be taking my rhinestone glue from a cart and I'm going to go ahead and do the outlines with this. I definitely found that using it out of the tube caused for a better application. It just kind of like flowed easily as far as the outline. And now that that is cured, I'm just going to take the chrome powder again and just rub it on top of where I did the outlines. And like I said, this nail look is very, very simple and easy to do. It did take me a little long, to do it just because I'm doing it on myself, but it is like super simple and easy. They look so good. I'm so obsessed. But now I'm going to be taking my top coat and I'm just going to apply that all over the nails. For some reason, the chrome part did kind of go onto the nude part of the nail. I'm not really sure how to avoid that. If y'all have done this before and y'all have any tips and tricks, please leave them in the comments. But after I'm done with that, I'm just going to go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds. To discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt. And now I'm just going to finish everything off with some cuticle oil. This is how they turned out. Again, I believe this is such a cute fall nail look. If you guys like this video and want to see more, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.